Our SB members are from the Honorable Members of College Junior. Honorable Felipe III. Honorable Honorable President, Honorable Becky Bell.
Oh, ne. Ito pa na Brida elementary. Wala ito pa Brida.
LG Martin Heights program implementers and LG employees.
Here the bronze medalist for basketball from the Ibrahimo. They completed or they finished bronze medal.
Basketball team.
Hi, Kuya.
Ate Annalyn, hi Ate Shamik.
Our teachers from the Tolosa District Elementary.
Also, our teachers from the Tolosa District High School. You guys take your seats, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, our memory makers from Barangay Kinao. The Kinao Women's Association. We would like to inform our respected teachers and barangay officials to please take your seats ready go up front. We have about 11 seats for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, our merry makers from Barangay Cantaliwis. Also arriving are our merry makers from Barangay Lubong. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me have our contenders for merry makers. Another daycare worker groups, Malabaran Manalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Barangay Telegrapho Women's 4-piece for their merrymakers.
Ayro na sa lipod ka man, masulo ka man. Yo.
Malabo ko sana liwat kita.
Amoy itong paglinakat lang.
From Italosa National High School. In our Tolosa standalone high school.
Sir, ma'am, requesting po kung pwede ka mo kumuli po ang second school ng DCRMES para po na-arrive at guest. Thank you po.
High school.
Pati sa lang na rolitira.
Pero ganun nyo ulit.
Mga arti, mga gusto isa yan. Charis.
And our candidates for Mr. and Miss Tolosa 2023. DZR State Comprehensive School of Fisheries Faculty.
Sino ka dyan? Oo, magkaya. Kung lalak, pinagsikin nyo lang ito. Marampas.
Di ba ba
Oo.
Ay, model ba ito?
Hindi, namurap.
Para.
Basta. Hindi din.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Tolosa candidate from Barangay Imelda and Miss Tolosa candidate from Barangay San Roque. Next we have our Mr. Tolosa candidate from Barangay Puntasyon and Miss Tolosa candidate from Barangay San Vicente.
Pulbuhan nga laya.
Oh, pa!
Palakpakan po natin Mr. Tolosa Telegrapho and Miss Tolosa Tanghas.
We have Mr. Tolosa Tanghas and Miss Tolosa Kapanian. Round of applause.
For this grand parade, of course, we have the Daniel Z. Romualdez Memorial Elementary School Band. Palakpakan po natin. Ladies and gentlemen, join us as we welcome Honorable Carlos Jericho Ipag El Padilla, our governor of the province of Leyte. Filipino ang Tolosa. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the VSU Prom.
Irvin C. Copania, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Nilago Mate, and our Sangguniang Bayan members, including our ABC President. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Leyte, Municipality of Tolosa, flag of recognition is proudly presented to you. Honorable Carlos Jericho Icon Benilla, Governor, Province of Leyte, in sincere gratitude for sharing his invaluable time and expertise as keynote speaker during the grand opening program and for actively supporting the festivities in celebration of the 156th Tolosa Day, recently Tolosa Padayon Pag-Uswa, given this 27th day of April 2023 at Municipal Town Plaza, Tolosa Day. Signed, Irvin C. Copania, our Municipal Mayor.
Alright, once again, Honorable Carlos Jericho Icon
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our host for this evening, our reigning king and queen, the Mr. and Miss Tolosa 2019.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, Tolosa.
Tonight is the moment that we have all been waiting for.
Yes, Felix, we'll be witnessing beauty and talent of the 7 female and 5 male candidates who will be vying for the crown for Mr. and Miss Tolosa 2023.
Yes. But before we move on, I would like to ask, how are you feeling right now? Given that our last step on this stage is during the search for the Mr. and Miss Tolosa 2019, and there has been 2 years of hiatus because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Well, Felix, I allotted those time in working and walking on my advocacies by joining organizations and serving the community through humanitarian and environmental service. Ikaw naman, Felix, how are you right now? What did you do in the past years after the Mr. and Miss Tolosa 2019?
Well, for me, same as you, I have been also true with my advocacies because I believe that inspiring the people must not end here on the stage, but we must walk it through even after the competition.
That is right, Felix, and I agree on that. But Felix, since I know that we are all back, we are also excited. Are you all excited? How about from those part? Are you all excited? Yeah.
Yes naman! Talaga naman lahat tayo ay excited because the Tolosa Town Plaza is indeed hyped up just by looking at the number of the audience right now.
Indeed, because tonight is the first night where our candidates will be stepping here on stage. They will be showcasing their talents, and Felix, they will leave us in awe in their festival attire.
Well, without further ado, let us welcome our candidates for
Mr. and Miss Tolosa 2023.
Rasmusandra Morales, 19, your Miss Tolosa, San Roque!
Good evening, Tolosa! I am Val Justin Nuevas Nabandon, 18, your Mr. Tolosa, Imelda!
Maupay na gabi, Tolosa! Lady Morgana Candela, 22, your Miss Tolosa, San Vicente!
Maupay nga gabi, Bungtuhan Tolosa! I am John Anthony Vivero Podente, 22, your Mr. Tolosa Poblacion! your Mr. Tolosa Pujas!
Good evening. Tiara Mayor Ivana Pinayan, 22, your Miss Tolosa Malbon.
Maupay gabi ating aralan, J. Martin Itaneo, 23, your Mr. Tolosa Kapangyarihan!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Shawana Andrea Vilgate Advincula, 22, your Miss Tolosa Telegrapher.
Good evening, Tolosa. Yasha Ray Marie Putica